Waking up in the middle of the night, again, with that sharp, stabbing pain in your leg? You're not alone. For many older adults, leg cramps aren't just annoying. They interrupt sleep, limit movement, and make everyday life harder than it should be. But here's the good news. What you drink each day could be the key to ending those painful cramps. With the right hydration and nutrients, your muscles can relax, recover, and stay strong without the need for pills or complicated treatments. In today's video, we'll show you 3 simple, affordable drinks that help prevent leg cramps, especially for seniors. These drinks are easy to find, backed by science, and could change how you sleep, walk, and move starting today. So grab a glass, sit back, and stay with us, because you won't want to miss these life-changing nutrition tips. If that sounds like you, you're definitely not alone. Millions of older adults in the U.S. experience leg cramps, especially at night. And while stretching can help, there's another simple change that often goes overlooked: what you drink. Today, let's talk about a natural remedy that's not only effective, but also delicious: coconut water. Yes, not a pill, not a supplement, just plain coconut water. So, why does this tropical drink help with muscle cramps? Coconut water is naturally rich in potassium, magnesium, and sodium, 3 minerals your muscles need to function properly. Here's how they help. Potassium helps muscles and nerves communicate smoothly. Low potassium is one of the most common causes of cramps. Magnesium supports muscle relaxation and helps prevent those random nighttime spasms. Sodium helps keep your body hydrated and balanced, which is critical as we get older and tend to drink less water. These minerals are also called electrolytes, and without enough of them, your muscles can misfire, especially after walking, gardening, or just going about your day. Now, you might be wondering, why not just drink a sports drink? So grab a glass, sit back, and stay with us, because you won't want to miss these life-changing nutrition tips. Well, most sports drinks sold in the U.S., like Gatorade or Powerade, are loaded with added sugar, artificial flavors, and unnecessary dyes. For older adults, that's not ideal, especially if you're watching your blood sugar or trying to avoid processed ingredients. That's where coconut water comes in. It gives you those essential electrolytes without the added sugar or chemicals. It's light, naturally sweet, and easy on the stomach. In fact, a study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that coconut water was just as effective as sports drinks for hydration, and even better tolerated. And the best part? You can easily find it across the U.S. It's available at major retailers like Walmart, Costco, Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, Target, and even many neighborhood grocery stores. When shopping, look for labels that say 100% coconut water, no added sugars, not from concentrate, if possible some trusted U.S. brands include Harmless Harvest, Vita Coco, Zico, and Simple Truth. Kroger's brand. Check the ingredients, simpler is better. Let me ask you, have you tried coconut water before? Did it help with cramps or hydration? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your story. Your experience could help someone else watching right now. So how do you add it to your routine? It's easy. Drink about a small glass, around 6 to 8 ounces, in the afternoon or after being active. You can also sip some after a long walk or light workout. Some people even enjoy it in smoothies or with a splash of lemon. But remember, everything in moderation. Coconut water contains natural sugars, so 1 serving a day is enough for most people. Also, if you're taking medications like diuretics, commonly prescribed for high blood pressure or heart conditions, coconut water might help replenish the electrolytes those meds flush out. Now, let's zoom out for a second. This isn't just about stopping leg cramps. These nutrients in coconut water also support heart health, better sleep, bone strength, and even energy levels. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how you feel every day. If you're someone who prefers natural solutions, things that work without adding more pills to your daily routine, this might be the simplest step you can take. So next time you're at Walmart or Costco, grab a couple bottles of coconut water. Try it for a few nights and pay attention to how your body feels. You might just wake up feeling better and cramp-free. And if this video helped you, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. We post simple health tips every week to help you feel stronger, sleep better, and enjoy life as you age. Coming up next, 2 more drinks you probably already have at home that can also help fight leg cramps naturally. Can you guess what they are? Stick around, you won't want to miss them. Before we dive into the benefits of magnesium-rich mineral water, let's first understand why magnesium is so important, especially when it comes to muscle cramps. Magnesium is an essential mineral that helps with muscle function and nerve transmission. It's involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, and one of its most important jobs is to help regulate muscle contraction and relaxation. When you have enough magnesium, your muscles can relax properly after contracting. But when your magnesium levels are too low, your muscles can contract too strongly or remain in a state of tension, which leads to cramps. A study published in the journal Magnesium Research found that magnesium deficiency is closely linked to an increase in muscle cramps, especially in older adults. This is why it's crucial to maintain an adequate magnesium intake. Now, how can you get more magnesium into your body? One of the easiest and most convenient ways is by drinking magnesium-rich mineral water. Unlike regular tap water, mineral waters like Gerolsteiner, San Pellegrino, and Topo Chico are naturally rich in important minerals, including magnesium. These mineral waters provide a natural and effective way to increase your magnesium intake without the need for supplements. Gerolsteiner, for example, contains about 50 milligrams of magnesium per 500 milliliters bottle, while San Pellegrino offers about 30 milligrams in the same size bottle. Just by drinking 1 or 2 bottles a day, you can start to see a difference in how your muscles feel. You may be asking, how exactly does drinking magnesium-rich mineral water help with leg cramps? Well, let's break it down. Magnesium relaxes muscles. Magnesium plays a key role in helping your muscles relax after they contract. When your magnesium levels are balanced, your muscles don't go into spasm, which is exactly what happens during a cramp. Improves circulation. Magnesium also helps with blood circulation, which is essential for muscle health. Poor circulation can contribute to muscle cramps, especially in the legs. So improving circulation can help prevent cramps before they start. Hydration. Proper hydration is crucial for muscle function. Drinking mineral water not only provides you with magnesium, but it also helps keep you hydrated, which is important for preventing cramps that are caused by dehydration. Now that you know how magnesium-rich mineral water can help, let's talk about how much magnesium you actually need each day. For adults, the recommended daily intake of magnesium is about 320 to 420 milligrams, depending on age and gender. While drinking magnesium-rich mineral water is a great way to increase your magnesium intake, it's important to remember that it won't give you all the magnesium you need for the day. For example, 1 bottle of Gerolsteiner contains about 50 milligrams of magnesium, so you might want to drink a couple of bottles a day, along with eating other magnesium-rich foods like spinach, almonds, or bananas to meet your daily needs. You might be wondering, where can I find magnesium-rich mineral water? Luckily, these waters are available at many stores. You can find them at Whole Foods. They carry several high-quality mineral water brands like Gerolsteiner and San Pellegrino. Amazon. If you prefer shopping online, you can easily find a wide range of magnesium-rich mineral waters on Amazon. Trader Joe's, Costco, and other grocery stores. Many of these stores also carry mineral waters that are naturally high in magnesium. So, next time you're shopping, look for mineral water labeled as containing magnesium. Now that you know where to find magnesium-rich mineral water, how can you use it in your daily life to prevent leg cramps? Here are a few tips. Drink it regularly. Aim for 1 to 2 bottles of magnesium-rich mineral water each day. This will help keep your magnesium levels up and prevent cramps. Hydrate before bed. Since leg cramps often occur during the night, Drinking a bottle of magnesium-rich water before bed can help relax your muscles and reduce the chances of waking up in pain. Pair it with other magnesium-rich foods. To boost the effects, try incorporating other magnesium-rich foods into your diet, such as dark leafy greens, nuts, and whole grains. Magnesium-rich mineral water is a simple yet effective solution to help prevent leg cramps and keep your muscles relaxed. With brands like Gerolsteiner, San Pellegrino, and Topo Chico, it's easy to find a convenient and natural source of magnesium. If you've been struggling with leg cramps, give magnesium-rich mineral water a try. It's a natural, hydrating way to reduce muscle tension and improve your overall muscle health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you ever tried magnesium-rich mineral water? How did it work for you? Let me know below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more health tips that can help you feel your best. And remember, stay hydrated. It's one of the easiest ways to take care of your muscles. Let's meet Mary, a 68-year-old from Ohio who loves gardening but was plagued by leg cramps. Every night, her calves would tighten, making sleep impossible. She tried everything, stretching, over-the-counter remedies, but nothing worked. Then, her neighbor shared a simple recipe: warm water, half a lemon, and a tiny pinch of sea salt. Could a drink this easy really stop her cramps? Mary gave it a try, and the results were astonishing. Her cramps faded, her legs felt stronger, and she was back to tending her roses. How did this happen? Let's dive in and find out. First, why do leg cramps hit seniors so hard? Studies show that dehydration and low electrolytes, like potassium, sodium, and magnesium, are major culprits. As we age, our bodies don't hold water as well, and medications like diuretics can make it worse. This leaves muscles twitchy and prone to spasms, especially at night. Can a simple drink fix this? Absolutely. Lemon water with sea salt is like a superhero for your muscles, delivering hydration, electrolytes, and nutrients to keep cramps at bay. Let's start with the lemon. How does a little citrus fruit help your legs? Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a nutrient that supports muscle repair and blood flow. 1/2 of a lemon provides about 15 milligrams of vitamin C, helping your muscles stay flexible and less likely to cramp. Lemons also contain a small amount of potassium, about 40 milligrams per half, working with your body to balance fluids and calm nerve signals. Research from the National Institutes of Health shows that low potassium can trigger muscle spasms, and lemons give you a natural boost to keep those signals steady. Next, what's the deal with sea salt? Can a pinch of salt really make a difference? You bet. Sea salt is rich in sodium and trace minerals like magnesium, which are essential for muscle relaxation. A tiny pinch, about 1/8 teaspoon, adds just enough sodium to restore electrolyte balance, especially if you're dehydrated or on medications that flush out fluids. Sodium helps your muscles contract and relax smoothly, preventing those painful twitches. Plus, sea salt's natural minerals give a slight edge over table salt, making it a smart choice for seniors. Now, let's talk about the water. Why does warm water matter? Hydration is key to preventing cramps, and seniors often don't drink enough. Warm water is gentle on the stomach, encouraging you to sip more. When you combine it with lemon and sea salt, it becomes a powerful electrolyte drink, like a homemade sports drink, but without the sugar or cost. Studies in the Journal of Aging Research show that even mild dehydration can increase cramp risk in seniors. So this drink is a simple way to stay hydrated and cramp-free. How does this all come together? Picture this. The lemon's vitamin C and potassium team up to support your muscles and nerves. The sea salt's sodium and magnesium balance your fluids, calming twitchy muscles. The warm water floods your body with hydration, ensuring everything works smoothly. It's like giving your legs a daily tune-up to prevent cramps before they start. For Mary, sipping this drink every evening meant her calves stopped seizing, and she could sleep through the night. Next, What's the deal with sea salt? Can a pinch of salt really make a difference? You bet. Sea salt is rich in sodium and trace minerals like magnesium, which are essential for muscle relaxation. A tiny pinch, about 1/8 teaspoon, adds just enough sodium to restore electrolyte balance, especially if you're dehydrated or on medications that flush out fluids. Sodium helps your muscles contract and relax smoothly, preventing those painful twitches. Plus, sea salt's natural minerals give a slight edge over table salt, making it a smart choice for seniors. Now, let's talk about the water. Why does warm water matter? Hydration is key to preventing cramps, and seniors often don't drink enough. Warm water is gentle on the stomach, encouraging you to sip more. When you combine it with lemon and sea salt, it becomes a powerful electrolyte drink, like a homemade sports drink, but without the sugar or cost. Studies in the Journal of Aging Research show that even mild dehydration can increase cramp risk in seniors. So this drink is a simple way to stay hydrated and cramp-free. How does this all come together? Picture this. The lemon's vitamin C and potassium team up to support your muscles and nerves. The sea salt's sodium and magnesium balance your fluids, calming twitchy muscles. The warm water floods your body with hydration, ensuring everything works smoothly. It's like giving your legs a daily tune-up to prevent cramps before they start. For Mary, sipping this drink every evening meant her calves stopped seizing, and she could sleep through the night. Ready to try it yourself? Making lemon water with sea salt is a breeze. Grab a glass of warm water, about 8 ounces. Squeeze in the juice from half a lemon, and add a tiny pinch of natural sea salt, just enough to fit on your fingertip. Stir well, and sip it slowly. Mary loves hers in the late afternoon, about an hour before dinner, to keep cramps away at night. You can drink it once or twice a day, especially if you're active or on medications that dry you out. If you're watching sodium intake for blood pressure, check with your doctor, but this small amount is usually safe. Want to make it even better? Pair your lemon water with foods like sweet potatoes or bananas for extra potassium, or a handful of almonds for magnesium. Mary sometimes adds a slice of cucumber for a refreshing twist. If you have diabetes, this drink is perfect. It's sugar-free and won't spike your blood sugar. For those with sensitive stomachs, the warm water and lemon are soothing and easy to digest. It's the cheapest, fastest way to hydrate and recharge your muscles. If you're loving this tip, give us a thumbs up and share it with a friend. It could change their life, just like it did for Mary. How soon will you feel the difference? The electrolytes in this drink start working within an hour, so sipping it in the evening can ease cramps that night. Mary noticed fewer spasms after just a few days. Drink it daily, and within a week, your muscles will feel calmer and stronger. Over time, consistent hydration and electrolytes will keep cramps away for good. To make this a habit, keep lemons and sea salt in your kitchen. They're affordable and last for weeks. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily alongside your lemon water to stay hydrated. A short walk or gentle yoga for 15 minutes a day boosts blood flow, making this drink even more effective. If you're on diuretics or have kidney issues, talk to your doctor to adjust the salt. For seniors in hot climates or active lifestyles, this drink is a must to replace lost fluids. How does this compare to other remedies? Unlike pricey supplements, this drink costs pennies and uses ingredients you already have. It's as effective as bananas for potassium but easier to sip, and it hydrates better than plain water. Mary used to rely on stretching alone, but lemon water with sea salt gave her faster, lasting relief. What's your go-to way to fight leg cramps? Drop a comment below and let's share ideas. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Senior Strength, hit the bell, and join our community for more tips to stay active and pain-free. Your legs deserve to feel strong and free, and this simple drink can make it happen. Sip your way to cramp-free nights and stronger days with every refreshing glass. Stay healthy, stay strong, and keep moving with Senior Strength.